Hi everybody, welcome back to Pink K-Pop Academy. Today we are going to be looking at some neck and head isolations because a couple of people have requested this, okay? So what we're going to do to start is I want you to put your hands on each shoulder, okay, so you can keep them steady because we really want the shoulders to not be involved in this situation, okay? So that'll help to keep them steady, and also you'll notice if they move because you'll feel it, okay? What your head is going to do for this whole time is stay perfectly straight, okay? Like there's a metal pole straight through the center of your head. It is not going anywhere. It's not going to tilt, okay? It's going to just stay directly straight on the whole time, okay? So we'll start with the front to back first because that's a little bit easier, okay? So without moving the shoulders or anything, okay, I want you to just bring your chin forward, okay? So just like there's a string on your chin and somebody's just pulling your chin as far forward as you can go. It's okay if you can only go a little bit. I'll go to the side so you can see a little bit better, okay? Okay, so without moving the body, we're just pulling the chin, leading with the chin coming forward, okay? And then bring it back to the center. And then slowly lead with the chin, bring it forward. And bring it back. Now I don't want you to tilt your head up, okay? Keep your eyes front, okay? Just slowly bringing the head forward, okay? Like a chicken, okay? And back to the center, okay? And if you can only do a teeny tiny bit, just a teeny bit, that's fine. Better to start small, okay? And then work up to the longer one, okay? Some people just don't have particularly flexible necks. One of my teachers, he's obviously been a teacher significantly longer than I have, and his neck doesn't rotate very far in any direction, okay? And he's been doing this a long time, so it's okay if your neck just isn't flexible. What we're going to do is try and stretch it within that range of flexibility, okay? So if you can only do a teeny tiny bit, that's fine, okay? But the key thing is that your head is staying straight. We're just moving the whole thing forward, okay? Leading with the chin or the jaw. That's how I like to think of to keep my head straight. Okay. Now if we want to look at the opposite way, pushing inwards, okay, there may be a slight tilt that happens here because we can only go back so far. Okay, but again, imagine you're trying to push your chin back into your neck. Okay. This is gonna get not cute, okay, there's gonna be double chin, but that's okay. Push it back in. Okay, and push it back in. Okay, so again, the chin is kind of taking the lead here, pushing it back. And we're keeping the shoulders where they are, and we're just pushing the chin back in. Okay, it's going to feel uncomfortable, there's going to be some pressure here, but that's all we're doing, okay? Pushing it back. So we have a little bit forward, and we can go a little bit back. And again, if you can only go a teeny tiny bit, that's okay. Pushing it back. Okay, let's look at the sides. So, with the sides, again, really, this is now where it gets really important that we don't tilt, okay? If you imagine your head is like on a table, okay? Someone's cut it off and they've put it on a table. And somebody is just taking your head and pushing it down from one side of the table to the other, okay? So, you're not going to tilt your head. Your head's been chopped off. It's on a table. It's steady, okay? Your chin is on the table. You're just going to move the whole thing to the left side a little bit, okay? So again, you can think of leading with the chin, keeping the whole thing steady, just take a tiny bit, okay? Let's just do really tiny one. Keep your head straight, okay. Like someone over there is saying something super interesting. There's some serious gossip going on there and you want to hear the tea. But you don't want to obviously listen, so you're just a little bit to the side, just what are they saying? Okay, just a teeny bit, okay? And make sure to keep the head straight, okay? Now there's somebody talking over there. We got to hear what they're saying over there, okay? So over to the right, just very small, very gently, keep the head steady. Okay, again, keep the head steady. Okay, again, ooh. And one more, ooh. Okay? So you can keep this really small, especially at first. Just the most important thing is that your head is not tilting and that we're just trying to move. So really, like, you're only moving from around the upper neck and the jaw. Like your neck is supporting the movement, okay, but the movement itself is kind of coming from the jaw and the chin. That's where it's all happening. And these muscles right up here at the top where your neck meets your skull, that's really where I feel it when it's happening, okay? So that's what we're doing. We're not trying to move the whole thing. We're not trying to move the shoulders. We're not tilting side to side. We're just keeping it steady and just trying to move as much as we can, as straight as possible, okay? And after a while, as you get used to this, you'll be able to do them bigger and you'll be able to do them faster, okay? But keeping the head straight is the key, okay? So let's try a couple together, a couple of counts. We're going to go to the left side for 4, then we're going to try the right side for 4, then we'll try the front for 4, and then we'll try the back for 4, okay? So arms up, ready? Here we go. 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and okay, we're going to try the right side now. Here we go. 3, 4. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and okay. Ooh, shake it out a bit. We're going to go forward now. 3, 4. Forward, and 2, and 3, and 4. And okay, let's take it back for that double chin. Here we go. 3, 4. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And so I've just had another image occur to me there that might help you. If you imagine somebody's got like a stick and they're swinging it in front of your face, like they're about to smack you in the face, you just go, okay, you're just trying to get away from that, move it back, okay? But you've left your body behind, you forgot about your body and your head just went, whoa, okay. So just move it back and forward and side and side. But the important thing is that we're keeping here steady so we don't tilt, okay? As long as we keep it steady, we can move. Okay, no matter how small, over time, it'll get bigger. Okay, so we're going to just try one to each direction now. Okay, we're going to start on the right this time. So we're going to just go right, forward, left, and back. Okay, let's give it a go. 3, 4. Right, bring it forward, around to the left, around to the back, again, to the right, bring it forward, to the left, to the back, now to the left. 3, 4, to the left, down to the front, to the right, up to the back, and again to the left, to the front, to the right, to the back. Okay, so what we're going to try to do now is put all that together and make a circle out of it, okay? So we're going to keep the head moving. Again, these can be really, really, really small, okay? The most important thing is you keep your head steady. All right, here we go. 3, to the right first. 3, 4, right, front, left, back, right, front, left, back, right, front, left, back, right, front, left, back. Okay, we're going to do it the same to the left side. Ready? 3, 4, and left, front, right, back, left, front, right, back, left, front, right, back, and left, front, right, back. Okay? Oh, let's shake those arms out. Woohoo! Get some freedom in the shoulders. All right? So that's how we isolate the head and the neck for when we need to be able to move the head on its own, which comes up actually quite a lot in K-pop. So that's why I wanted to make this, because I knew people were asking for it. So I hope that helped you. If you have any more questions on head isolations, put them in the comments. If there's any other basics that you're struggling with as well, put them in the comments and we'll get a video going for those too. All right? I hope this helped and I will see you all again soon. Bye.